Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add bubble effect in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Capcut PC application, and if we want to add bubble effect in Capcut, we need to go to the effect menu. We can go to the effect and then select the video effect, and in this video effect, you can go to the distortion category. And then you can scroll down until you find the rippling effect, this one. By applying this effect, you will create bubble effect for your video. As you can see, you can click on this plus icon to add it to your video, or you can simply drag the effect to your video like this. Okay, now the effect has been applied to my video, and here we can adjust the strength and the range as well. Okay, and then this is the final result guys. Now the bubble effect has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add bubble effect in Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.